Welcome back to my channel. In today's Facebook tutorial, we'll learn how to delete all the comments you have ever posted on Facebook in one click. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, let's do this. Open your Facebook app. Tap on this icon with your picture. Scroll down to locate Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and select Settings. Scroll down to Locate Activity Log tab. Tap on it. Move these tabs to the left to locate comments. Tap on your comments. You'll find all the comments you've ever posted on Facebook. You can either choose to archive or delete them all at once. To delete your Facebook comments at once, select All and tap Recycle Bin. That's how to delete your Facebook comments at once.